Hi. Sabi ni Jesus sa John, love one another as I have love you. Paano ba nagmahal si Kristo? Paano niya pinakita yung kanyang pagmamahal? Well, sa John mismo sinabi yun doon, and I think maganda yung pagkakasabi din sa Philippians na although He is God, He did not count it as something He can grasp. Pero inempty niya yung kanyang sarili at naging tao. He became human, no? At yeah, He became human. Tapos He's patient sa kanyang mga disciples, sa kanilang mga pagkukulang, mga kahinaan. He's very patient in dealing with them. And then yung love niya ultimately, yung pagpapakita niya ng kanyang pagmamahal sa mga tao, ultimately led Him to a dying on a cross. So that's what Jesus Christ is saying, na the love that I want you to have for others is the love that might cost you your life. At sinabi niya din na people will know that you are my disciples by the gravity of your love. Kahit ikaw ba maging disciple ni Kristo, mahirap, yes, but the more we get to know and experience yung love ni Jesus Christ, the more we're able to love like Him. So get to know Him.